I'm so sorry. Oh, look. I'm sorry, y'all. My live, something happened, but I'm live again. And, oh, they're cheering. Everybody's cheering. If you haven't seen my first live, you should go check it out. But they're not letting the smoke out of the tail. So, you know what that means. It's close to time. My live went... Hi, Cassandra. Something happened to my live and then it cut off, but I'm live again. So if you want to go see the first live,
Oh, the ride is up there. They doing the ride.
yes.
Every time we get up, the ride is broke.
I'm jealous, yeah, because every time we come, the ride is always broke, but they got the ride going. Hi, Sheila. Welcome back. Yenny, welcome back. It's Carnival Vista, July 3rd, 2021. First ship to be selling out today. Super excited. Hi, Denise. There's people cheering on there. People cheering on us in there saying, let's go. They're ready to sell out. Cassandra, I can't wait to be on one of those again. I know. Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining. Hi, JC. They're getting ready, seems like. Hi, Tammy, love it. Hi, Randy. On the Dream, June 2022. Can't wait. Thanks for the live feed. More than welcome. Hi, Sandy. Thanks for joining. If anybody wants to send me a friend request, they're more than welcome to. I will always be doing a vlog of the different ships now that they seems like they got everything back up and running. Thank you for the live. More than welcome, Molly. Shelly, thank you. Low network connection. Oh no, please don't do this to me again. I think they're trying to tap into my live or something. Please don't do this. Don't do this. The people want to see happy selling. Yeah, to them, I'm not going. DJ Huddle is watching. Hello, DJ. I've been out here for quite a while now. I wonder if they're gonna have Halaquita Chavis. Yes, thank you. Going to cry. So happy this is getting back going. Oh yes. Prayers to the people on here that all goes well. Terry, hello, welcome. Hello from San Antonio. Wow, hi. Hello, Deanna. I can't wait to get back on, and I know. Can't wait to sell again. I'm so jelly. Me too, even though I'm standing here looking. Hi, Cindy. Ooh, 61 people on here. I feel so famous. I'm just kidding. Hello, Sylvia. Hi, family. I'm on Galveston Carnival Cruisers live. I know, I'm live. This is a lot of people watching this. There's 63 people on here.
That's a lot of people next year.
Yeah. I hear the music going. I think they're having a deck party already.
Yeah, I hear the music.
Yay, you're
already
back.
on the ride.
Amazing sight. Yes, let me zoom in for y'all. I haven't seen them since earlier. They called us, said they was there. Yay, you're back. Yay! So happy. Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining. Thank you. Hi, Janelle. I wanted to come down so bad. I know, Michelle. And the traffic was pretty broken up. It wasn't bad at all, hardly. But the rain, it was pouring down raining on the way here. I live in Spring, Texas. Thanks for sharing. More than welcome. I was scrolling when we lost you, and there's a couple doing a live on YouTube. I know it's all the deck chairs are out on the Lido. Usually those are all stacked up out of the way for dancing. Oh, I don't know. They might be having an inside deck party. I'm not sure. But I hear music playing on here. So excited they are back. Hello, Valerie. We appreciate this. More than welcome. Hi, Terry. So they blew the horn maybe 30 minutes ago. It might be a little shorter time than that. Like they were getting ready to leave, but it has not left yet, as you see. Hello, Princess. Welcome. Wish I was on there too. Yes, Christy. Me too. Me too. Hello, Sharon. Welcome. If I didn't say welcome to you, I'm so sorry. It's showing me like 80 people on here, but a few names. I want to go to Congo with strangers. I went to Congo with strangers. At this point, it don't even matter, you know. I'm just ready to get on the ship. Terry, wish I was there. Yes, me too. I wish to. Hello, Michelle. Welcome. Sandy. Hello, Sandy. It's not much to see, but it's a sight to see, right? Oh, there's the horn again, everyone. Woo! I wish I was there with you.
You need counsel. I just want to see the ship sail.
I know. Look, I'm on live. Look how many people's on there.
Yeah. Oh, 77.
Yeah, this is Galveston live. That would have been a great birthday trip for me. Yep.
Well, we're going in February. That's next one in February?
I hope. I'm ready. I'm ready.
Or they just start booking the lines now or what? Did y'all even know about this one?
Yes, we seen it online.
You should have been going instead of the Portland. Well, you already booked the Portland about her.
Yeah, but everybody has to be vaccinated. I hear you. You hear me? Are you on a ship?
You still?
Yes, I've been on like 15. Yes, and I'm jealous. I'm on the
and it wasn't a good one. I'm not gonna
yeah, it was Royal Caribbean, but this one is the best. Carnival's the best. Woo!
Yeah, I didn't think seasick.
Woo! Hi Sharon, hi Betty. Music to your ears, right? I want to go, y'all. Oh my gosh.
When I got back and I got again, I couldn't walk. I had to crawl around my house for 2 days.
Such a great horn to hear that. Y'all hear it? Y'all hear it good enough? Am I close enough?
I really didn't want to go back.
Yes, it's Carnival. Carnival is the very best. Hands down. Carnival is the best. Hands down. No questions asked. Yes, 15 cruises. I've been on 15 cruises. And Vista was one. Breeze was another.
And we didn't have to have our
Oh, so many. Gosh, I can't think. I'm just super excited right now to be here. Hi, Betty. Breeze in 16 days. Marissa, you want to take me with you since I did this beautiful video for you? I mean, I'm no problem. I'm no problem. Yes, I literally have the chill. So exciting. Yes, Whitney. Carnival.
Yeah, they say those wasn't working for how they working now.
Yes, every time we're on there, the ride never works, and now we're down here and the ride's working.
Oh, yeah?
Well,
On a smaller ship.
Vista is my favorite. Yeah, it's a beautiful ship, y'all.
I think the bigger the better.
Hello, Sharon Jacobs. Welcome. Woo! Betty Gilmore. Hello. It's okay. I'm just cheering when they cheering. I'm happy for them. Look. Galveston, 81 people. Galveston Carnival Cruisers. Hello, Marissa. Welcome. You're more than welcome to a friend request me, everyone. How we doing these vlogs? Every now and then. Our very first cruise was Vista in July 2019. Last minute cruise after it was out of service. Then we were on a dream. January 2020. I never been on a dream. I want to though. Hello, Irma Perez. Woo!
There it goes.
It's
Moving
been
on.
it's been coming out. Thank you for doing this. I wish I was there. Yes. Marcy. Hello, DJ Huddle. Up, it looks like they're pushing out. Bye! Wish I was you! Get closer. Hi, Princess, welcome. They're pushing out. My favorite was the Magic, fabulous. Oh, I love the Magic as well. I've been on there plenty of times. Terry, yay! Let me step up. Ooh, let me step back. I don't want the cars. Come back, you forgot me. Happy sailings. Big blessings, everyone. Hello, Kathy, welcome. Thanks for being there. More than welcome, Sharon. Hey, have fun, all of you fun people. Yeah, it would be really fun if we was on there, right? Happy sailings. God bless. Be safe. Woo!
That's what they doing. Remember one time we backed.
Bye. I see somebody waving.
We backed all the way out one time.
Woo! Hi, Kelly. So excited I'm not on ship. Breeze November. Woohoo! Hi, Debbie. Welcome. Hi, Betty. Welcome back. Yes! Music to my ears. Woo! We need to be on the next one. I really wish we could. Hi, Michael. Welcome. I'm going to turn it back because I don't know. Y'all don't want to look at me. Y'all want to look at the ship. Woo, it's going. Bye. The webcam won't open up. Well, you're on here. You could be on here. Marissa, hi. Hi, Esther. Welcome. It's going. Hi, Sandy. Welcome. Let me zoom out. I know y'all can't see now. I want to cry. I want to cry. Hi, Queen.
You need seriously therapy.
My cousin said I need therapy, but I must need it. I know I need it.
Therapy.
I'm so sad.
It's moving. It's moving.
It really is moving. Woo. Bye. Cree, you want to get on there? Cree, you want to get on there? Can you imagine? I mean, wow, this is Carnival history. Yes, it is. Bye, y'all. I'm going to be on that ship in September. Maybe me too. My birthday is in September. Hi, Gary. You should have paid for her cruise and give her the free therapy. Hi, Jana. Woo!
They're moving.
Hi, Esther. Hi, Gary. Were y'all super excited about this video?
Well,
I'm planning on going in October.
Oh no, I'm getting so excited. I'm like,
Yes. I know, I want to cry too. I really want to cry. It's history, but I really want to cry because we're not on it. Hi, Janice. Hey, Mama. My birthday is September 1st. Mine is September 21st. I'll be 32. Yep. Everybody's here.
hey, it looks like it's leaving us. It's leaving us.
Don't leave. Come back. I'm ready. Come back. You forgot me. Y'all know how y'all be on a ship and when the horn blows and everybody's running, trying to get back on the ship? That's what I feel. Go. Catch it. Catch it. Is it full? It looks pretty full. I need I want to be on the ship. I received the Pfizer shots, and I didn't really have any reactions to it. I didn't have any reactions to it, by the way. Kendall Fire's on there. All right. Yeah, she is. Kendall Fire. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, she's a cruise director on there. I forgot. My son's birthday is August 28th. Mine is September 10th.
You have fun with her.
Yes, I love Kendall Fire. She's one of the best cruise directors. I love Matt too, and Chris. Well, I have mine.
That's people, not counting.
It's leaving us, y'all. It's an amazing sight.
I need a view with a balcony so I can get on the balcony. What's your Cash App name?
Oh, my Cash App is $Scrub SCRUB
Okay.
MEME 89.
All right. Bye, y'all.
Bye. Have a good one. That's $SCRUB MEME 89. Yeah, Matt is amazing. Sad he is no longer with Carnival. I know. I be watching his lives too, though, to keep up with him. Welcome back, Betty. I'm here with my family. We're watching. We're having a watch away party. Hi, Shaniqua. Welcome back, Betty. Hi, Shelly. It's leaving us. Hi, Marissa. Okay, everybody's parking and just blocking my view. It's leaving us. Hi, Jackie. Welcome. Awesome. Hello, Shaniqua. Hi, Lisa. I'm sorry. Hi. The ship is sailing. It's really sailing.
You got 5 people on, April.
Thanks again. More than welcome. Thanks for joining, everyone. I really appreciate it. Sorry that the webcam wasn't working that good, but I really appreciate you joining the video. I hope you enjoyed it. You can follow me on Facebook. You can add me. Somebody asked me for my Cash App name. I don't know why, but it's $Scrub SCRUB MEME 89. It says Scrub because I play in a Zydeco band. So if you like Zydeco too, you should follow me on Facebook. Add me on Facebook because I play in the Zydeco band. We play out here in Galveston as well. So have a blessed one, everyone. Happy sailing soon. Soon and very soon, I hope. And I pray all is well. Have a safe holiday. God bless.